Let's continue with the activity. So I will put fillet in the second one. In the third one, I'll put tack welding. Next one, I will put dimensional check. The next one, I will put full welding. The next one, I will put post dimensional check. The next one, I will put NDT. The next one, I will put high through test. The next one, I will put coating and tagging. The next one, I will put loadout. So I will go into spool under the commissioning of the spool. So under this commissioning of the spool, first one, I will put the commission, and under here I will put isolate flanges. Next one, I will put spading of the line. Next one, I will put purging of the spaded line. Purging of the spaded line. Next one, I will put breaking of valve. The next one, I will put unbolting and cutting of flanges and valve. The next one, I will put lifting and moving of flanges and valves to the lay down area. Okay, so I'll go to the next one. Under here, this is installation. I'll just put install. Under install, I will put mobilize flanges and valve to site. The next one, I'll put lifting and fitting up of the spool. The next one, I'll put welding of spools. While the next one, I'll put NDT. Okay, I'll put installation of apps. Then finally I'll put MDT, and I'll put hydro test, and lastly I'll put touch up painting.